love fish all the time. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Damn, that one looks like.
That's a miserable.
That's the one you want? You're gonna buy what? Oh, wait, my fucking. Oh, my back. Oh, oh man. And my hair is a mess. I don't know what kind. I don't know what kind she's trying to buy. What they got? Sweet corn? Oh no. How much? It shouldn't be nut. It shouldn't be a thing where it's too early. Well, that's 140. That's the one that has a lot of bones. Right. But you don't fry it. So you don't fry it right. Wow. Tuna. Damn, look at that big one of tuna. Big one. Yo, listen, we got fish. Which one is that one? So we got spine.
Isa kilo anite. Ila?
Oy.
100.
And God, every time I'm talking to you, you need to look or listen, bro. I don't know what else they're gonna buy over here. We got our fishies. 1 kilo. Oh, look at the egg. Oh, if I have money left, I'm gonna buy chicken. Huh? How much is that one? 80? She's going with double the fish. I guess she didn't like the smell.
But